Guys, what is going on with World Supercross? We saw this post come up on X yesterday, hearing strong concerns about the future of World Supercross from the possibilities of less rounds for the remainder of the 2023 season, among other concerning factors. This is not good. People responded with, not surprising if true. Least a bunch of riders made some decent money out of it. Main reason I was pumped about the whole thing. More jobs for guys. Sucks they couldn't figure it out. When Adam Bailey in the Lewis Phillips interview talked about needing another round of funding and not really saying if the first round investor is going to invest more, the writing was on the wall. This guy says, wait, WSX has started? Joking, but trying to find out how to watch. The Bobby G says SMX goes belly up now too. And then Nicholas says pretends to be shocked. We thought it might just be a rumor. Then it looks like this Michael Lindsay posted this. So far, this guy who said this info has not been wrong on any World SX info he's brought to my attention before. The extended rumor I've been hit with by 3 different people in the last hour is that they may have lost their primary funding. Speculation is this could be the end of it. This has all just started circulating, though, so we'll have to wait and see. And this right here is from Mike Alessi. It says, got some bummer news. No trip to California now today as the next few rounds are canceled. Looking for some training or riding camps. Hit me up. I'm available all of September. This does not look good for World Supercross, guys, which is a bummer. We need these teams. We need this money. There's lots of places around the world that would love to have a Supercross series visit their country. This was a good thing for the sport. I don't care what side you're on, and it will be a bummer to lose it. So hopefully they can put something together for next season, but we'll just have to wait and see.